I'm Marco.
I'm Ivan. Welcome to our church.
Yeah, and in this video, we will show you the beautiful nature of New Zealand. You ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go!
Hi, I'm Pauline. I brought you to Mount Eden. Let's have a look around. Mount Eden is the highest volcano summit that you can visit in Auckland, and it's one of the only craters left in New Zealand. Wow! You want to see more? Let's go!
Oi, hi Vincent!
Mona,
Where am I?
this is the summit of One Tree Hill.
What is that?
This is an obelisk to the Maori.
Let's go find Hugo!
Okay.
Hi, I'm Hugo. Here's Araki Basin. It is one of the volcanoes that has an explosion crater around 700 meters wide, and now it has become a freshwater lake. Let's show you the next location. Hello, Rio and Matthew. You guys are on our next mission.
Hi, I'm Rio.
Hi, I'm Matthew.
We are in Mission Bay. Mission Bay is a seaside suburb in Auckland.
And that is Rangitoto Island. It's a volcanic island around the Auckland area.
What time is it?
Oi, it's home time! Let's go!
Oh!
Yeah!
Wait, where's Rio and Matthew?
Yeah, where are they?
We love our church and we love you all!